All right.
Hey, what's up, guys? Kirby Smith with Lightspeed Construction here with Paul. Paul, what's up, man?
Not much. Working from home.
Yeah, we're working from your home as well. Can you tell folks a little bit about what we accomplished here and kind of why, you know, it's good to pay attention to the edges of your roof and everything?
Oh, I had some obvious water damage going on. Didn't know what it was.
This is what you saw right here.
Yep.
Okay.
Saw it a while ago, but it just kept getting worse and worse. So I called you guys. You diagnosed it in 5 minutes and came out within a week.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you for the work. We really appreciate it, and that's always our goal. It's a little tougher to maybe be on time this time of year. It's hot. Our guys get beat up. It's hot, right, Jimmy?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But this is definitely something we knocked out of the park. We got new metal going all the way. So what happened is, on these old houses here in Park Ridge area of Knoxville, sometimes, and we've seen this on a few different houses, between the fascia board and where the roof deck board stops, there's a gap. And this one had around a 6-inch gap. You and I both saw it. We probably got a picture on the web page here that we're showing. But that gap, the shingles were cupping up at the gap, kind of holding water, and the water was just leaking right there at the gap. So we went back and we added boards all the way across here, down to the end, to fill in that gap, put metal underneath your shingles, and then put a new course, 2 courses of shingles over where you'd had the issues previously. And replacing these couple of guys right here as well. Pretty straightforward job. I always love it when the diagnoses are super easy. This wasn't too hard to figure out. So, and you called, you were like, man, I think my gutter's leaking, but you know, obviously a roof issue.
Yep.
So, but cool. Well, anything else you want to say or sound off? Our Lightspeed type stuff. We always like hearing that.
You guys did great. Thank you very much for the fast response. These guys are great. Hire them.
Yep. Thank you, guys. We appreciate it, Paul. Thanks for the work. Knuckles these days?
Sure.
All right, buddy. Appreciate it, y'all. Kirby Lightspeed.